friends, I am Lini Hajunsu. Welcome to my channel, which is all about enhancing what you have. Today, I am going to talk about one of my favorite crystals ever, that is citrine. Now, what is citrine? Citrine is a transparent variety of quartz crystals that range from a yellow to orange color. Its attractive color, high clarity, low price, and durability make it the most frequently purchased yellow to an orange gem in the world. So, where is it found? Citrine is found all around the world, though gem quality citrine is rare today. Two of the most common places are America and Russia. History of citrine. In ancient China, citrine was called the success stone. The Chinese emperors would often wear citrine as it was believed to not only bring success but open the mind and broaden one's perception. In ancient times, healers used citrine to purify the body of toxins, improve blood circulation, and strengthen the immune system. Ancient lore notes that citrine was worn as a protectant against the venom of snakes and from letting your thoughts stray to evil. It has also been labeled as a merchant's stone because citrine attracts work-related prosperity. It was also believed that it could help women bear more children and increase happiness. According to lore, citrine would attract love and prevent heartbreak. People felt that it was one of the stones that did not hold negative energy, instead, it repelled it. In ancient times, people believed that citrine gemstones could soothe anger and manifest desires. To leverage these powers, Egyptians used them as talismans. The ancient Greeks carved iconic images on them, and Roman priests wore them in rings. In Asia, real-life wish-fulfilling tree, a tree made of citrine crystals, is a common sight. Since old times, the wish tree has been used to summon better health, wealth, and family harmony. Types of citrine. Citrine's color ranges from yellow to orangey yellow to yellowish orange to brownish orange. There are many different kinds of citrine. Here are some of the most popular citrine types. Yellow citrine. Lemony yellow colored citrine, which may also be called lemon citrine. Also remember, lemon quartz is not citrine. Golden citrine. Citrine with a golden yellow hue. Madeira citrine. One of the rare citrines that range in color from golden orange to reddish brown. Fire citrine, very desirable deep red orange citrine that is heat treated quartz, only done in Brazil. Palmaria citrine, a bright orange citrine. 5 categories of citrine are available in the market. These are citrine with a natural color, citrine with a natural color but enhanced by treatment, citrine produced by heating amethyst, synthetic citrine, a man-made product, and imitation citrine, a man-made product that is not silicon dioxide. How to identify a citrine? It has a hardness of 7 on the Mohs scale. Its gem DNA is SiO2, silicon dioxide, with traces of iron oxide. It has lots of clarity. Its color range from a pale yellow champagne color to a deep dark amber or honey color. Its shape is like a point and can have baby crystals around its base. Citrine rock crystal points usually have straight sides, and many rock crystal points are long like quartz crystals. Also, it has no white base, and original citrine is not cheap to buy. How to tell difference between citrine and heat-treated amethyst? Almost all citrine on the market available today is heat-treated amethyst. Both citrine and amethysts are forms of quartz. Though in crystal healing they are very different stones, you will notice a red tint in all of the heat-treated material, while natural citrine does not. Amethyst is heated at high temperatures to make it look like citrine. Mostly amethyst and smoky quartz are heat treated to change them to citrine. But you can identify the fake one as it will have bright yellow color or orange color, or burnt orange or orange brown color clusters. Lots of clear and white sections inside. Clusters and geodes shaped. Raw crystal points are fat and dog tooth like in shape. Crystal points have white at the base and cheap price. So, who can wear citrine? Citrine is the birthstone for November. Indian astrology connects the citrine with planet Jupiter, and they prescribe it for Sagittarius and Pisces. Western astrology recommends citrine birthstone for Aries, Leo, Cancer, Scorpio, and Sagittarius. But I believe the decisive factor should be how you feel and what's your level of energy while the stone is around, and not the actual horoscope sign. It is highly recommended to professionals working in fields related to finances and creativity. It is known to enlighten the inner thought process with creativity in writers and artists. Side effects of citrine. They say if your energies are blocked, only then you can experience headaches, energy tingles that feel like small pins and needles happening at random spots. You may also experience hot and cold flushes, dizziness, emotional swings, aggression, and anger, since citrine properties may amplify those aggressive tendencies. Benefits of citrine. Citrine is said to awaken one's abilities and creative imagination. Citrine is considered a powerhouse of positivity and happiness. It is said to clear any kind of negative influences from its surroundings along with clearing unwanted forces. Its spiritual characteristics are famous for radiating positive energy and repelling any type of negative energy. Citrine is known to be a high vibrational stone. Its bearer is said to feel energized and motivated at all times. That is why it is believed to not to absorb any type of negative energy, unlike other crystals. It is believed to provide overall protection from any type of harmful energies. Citrine is said to inspire people to focus on self-healing and self-improvement. Citrine is said to be one of the healing gemstones which help its wearer overcome depression, any fears, and phobias. Citrine is known as the manifestation crystal worldwide that can attract wealth, good luck, and helps you complete your goals. Citrine crystals are believed to push us to look at the wider picture and better our future. This stone is widely famous to help its bearers strengthen their self-esteem, and good self-esteem helps with manifestations becoming true because one is happy with what one has. Citrine's healing properties include improving digestion and strengthening endurance. It is believed to cleanse all the chakras and open up the windows of intuition, creating a greater sense of alertness and a spiritual connection to one's self. Citrine is said to enhance wisdom and make you more observant. It is a crystal popular for attracting good stuff in life. Citrine is also believed to help the heart, kidney, digestive tract, liver, and muscles. It helps in eliminating self-destructive tendencies in its wearer. The yellow color of citrine signifies wealth in metaphysics, due to which it is called abundance drawing crystal in every form. So, if one is seeking money, career, or business luck, then this crystal is highly recommended to them. If someone has concentration issues, then this stone is strongly recommended for them, especially to students for memorizing. It boosts self-confidence and is recommended to people who lack it. If for some reason one cannot buy yellow topaz, then citrine is said to give similar benefits. Citrine brings peacefulness and stability at home. It helps in verbalizing your thoughts if you have difficulty expressing it. It is said to help in resolving issues among people. They say the one who wears this stone starts performing better in their work field. It is also said to aid diabetes patients. It is believed to keep hormones under check. It carries the positive force of the sun, so if you want to feel happy, you should always keep it near you, they say. It keeps you relaxed even in the most difficult situations. It also helps people around its wearer because their presence makes any environment less negative. Putting it on the left side of your money corner helps magnetize and amplify your ideas, which also helps in creating consistent money. In feng shui, citrine is the most recommended and used crystal, as placing it in the wealth area of the house attracts good fortune. Many Chinese believe it to be a money magnet, bringing success and abundance in unexpected ways. It is said to heighten one's sexuality as well. According to feng shui experts, citrine is extremely useful during period 8, that is 2004 to 2024, as this is the period of the earth element and citrine has an earthy color. So when to wear it? They say to wear the stone on Thursday before sunrise on your right index finger, but I don't believe in it. So what is citrine's price? The quality of a citrine's color has an enormous impact on its price. Citrine with a faint color is abundant and inexpensive. Stones with rich, uniform color are rare, valuable, and preferred by buyers. So it usually costs $10 per carat to $30 per carat. So that was all about it, and I will see you guys next time. And yes, if you have anything to ask, feel free to ask me. Bye bye.